Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. In this video I am going to show you how you can deploy Laravel Livewire project in cPanel. In the previous videos I showed you how you can create this Laravel Livewire craft project from scratch. Now I am going to show you how you can deploy this project into cPanel. Let me demonstrate the project here. PHP artisan serve, run the npm tools. As you can see, I am logged in. In here you can upload any images here. You can get this one here. As you can see, you can upload image and the name here. Also you can edit here. The images and the name will be changed. You can also delete here. So everything works fine here. Log out. I'm logging out from the project here. Now to deploy this, search Laravel Mix in Google. Install that package here. I already installed that, that's why it didn't install again. You need to install that. Now find the bitconfig.js file, rename this webpack.mix.js. In the file here, comment out everything. If you want, you can delete this. This is the code for the package.json. I'll provide the script in the description below. Now write these codes. Require Laravel mix.js. You need to find the JS files. Here are my JS files in the resources. So write resources here, resources/js file app.js. Here you can see it's just bootstrap here, nothing there. If you create any custom JS file here, you need to also include here. Okay. Now I'm going to store that JS file and convert it for the project and store that in public JS folder. Now write this public JS. This will store the file in public. Here's the folder. There another folder will be created. Write another resource, include the resources, JS file and the bootstrap JS. Folder location, public JS folder. Now include the post CSS here. I'm going to include the fcss file here too, because it contains the tailwind CSS files. If you do not include this, tailwind CSS won't work in the cPanel. Resources, CSS, fcss, yes, public CSS. Now copy the scripts in package.json here. Remove the type models. Check if it's working or not. Here they're showing some errors here. Find the post CSS config.js file here. Write module exports file 2. Now run it again. Here, done. It works. Now you can find the CSS and JS file in the public folder. Now you need to import that into project, where you use the CSS and a JS file. Let's run the link. Will import the CSS. Sorry. There it is imported. Now load the scripts. Always load the scripts under the Livewire scripts. Mix file here, and also the bootstrap here. In the player type file, layout file, do the same for these two. Just copy them and paste it here. As you can see here, all this CSS, tailwind CSS, converted into normal CSS code here. These are all tailwind CSS. Now check the project if it's working or not. Run php artisan serve. No need to run the npm modules from here. Refresh. Yes, it is working fine. The tailwind CSS also working. Login with your email and password. It is working. I'm logging out from here. Close the project. Find the project file where you created the project. Here is my project file here. Select all. I have WinRAR. You can also compress to zip file here. I'm doing with WinRAR. There's zip done. Now go to cPanel, find the file manager here. I already created a custom domain. You can find it inside the public HTML. Here is my custom domain here. Here you just upload the zip file. Extract here. Delete the zip file. At first, you need to configure the stcxs file. stxs file, sorry. Edit this. I added this code here. You will find this code in the description below. No need to change any folder here. Just upload the zip file here and extract. Now you have to configure the env file. At first, I'm going to create a database for this. Name it library crud. Library crud here. Create the database. Now for this, I need to add a username and password. I name this live card. You can name it whatever you want. For the password, add your own password here. Here, add the user and password to the database. Select all. Now go to PHP MyAdmin. You need to create tables. You need to create tables for that. Right now there is no table in the database. Run the XAMPP file here. Here is my database name, as you can see here. Now export that. For exporting, you need to make sure you're inside the database. Click it like this. Okay, now export. There, SQL file exported. Now you need to input that file here. Choose that file, database. There, table created successfully. Now edit the env file here. Get the database name from here. Username and the password. I think that is it. Now go to the URL, check it if it's working or not. There, it is running smoothly. Login with your email or password. I think I need to register here first. There, I'm logged in. Now upload images from here. I think I made a mistake here. You need to configure the storage file too. Go to public here, check the storage here. You need the storage file for uploading the images. Right now, delete that storage folder. You need to add a route for the storage file. Add this route for the storage. Import the artisan here. I already uploaded the zip file here. So what you can do is go to routes here, routes, web file, copy these routes here. There. Now if you go to that link, the storage folder will be created here in the public folder /link. There, my storage folder is created and the images are showing here. Check again. Here's my storage folder. Now you can upload any images. there everything is working fine. Also, in the storage file, here you can see images are also updating and deleting itself. I delete a card here, and the images will also will be deleted from here. Also, you can log out. This is how you can upload Laravel Livewire project in cPanel. That's it for this video, guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe. Thank you.